Landing gear extensions for your Mavic 2 Pro and Zoom from PGYTech. Do they make a difference? Are they worth the hassle? Stick around and find out. What's up, guys, and welcome back to my Drone Chronicles. And if this is your first time here, you might want to think about hitting that subscribe button down there if you like talking about drones or tech or what's coming up or what's coming out. But today we're going to talk about something very serious. That's right, very serious. Landing gear extensions. Yeah, kind of like these ones here I got in the mail today from PGYTech. We're going to take a look at these to see how easy or how difficult they are to put on and take off. Do they actually make a difference? And if they do, are they worth it, or are they just a pain in the ass? So we're going to do this together, you and me, for the first time, because I've never used these before. The box is still sealed, so we're going to open them together and we're going to put them on together and see how that process goes. So without further ado, let's get to it. Gotta get a knife though. Okay guys, so we got the knife. We're gonna open this right here. So let's see if we could do this without cutting our fingers off. Check us out here. Okay, I want that. Yep. Open that up. Boom. Right there. Check it out. Okay guys, so once we got the box open, again we were presented with little instructions here, little set of instructions showing you what direction the legs go on, the extensions. So we got that. Looks like maybe this is a sticker or something. Yeah, it looks like you get a couple, looks like these are a couple stickers. Black and white, white on black and gray on white. Little PGYTech stickers. Alright, and here's the gear, the landing gear themselves. So let's take a look here. Take these open. Cool. Alright, so that's what they look like in their little shipping case there. So let's take a quick peek at these instructions. And yeah, it just shows to put the front feet on first, right here. Can you see this? And then it's basically showing the back feet go way against the drone with the curved part out. So let's see if we can do that real quick. So let's get this and stick these on here. Oh, those are tight. Tight. This one out of here. Let's see. Oh no. Yeah, they are tight. It's really hard to tell. Like, I don't know exactly where they're supposed to be, how far they go down, but then this, let's see. Oh, they have on the bottoms of these ones, if you could see it here, maybe look at this camera, if you could see it, it shows right and left, I don't know, whatever. Look on there, if you could see that, right and left, I don't know. Sorry about the light here, but anyway, let's see if we get these on here. Let's see, right and left, okay. Get that up to the edge there. Okay. That one there. Cool. Alright. Easy peasy. So there we got Mr. Mavic 2 Pro standing tall. Yeah, check him out. Cool. That wasn't too bad. So check that out. So that adds about an inch, maybe, or so. Okay guys, so we're outside now. Got the extensions on here. We're going to set it in the grass, see how it works. As you can see, doesn't look too bad. You know, some of the grass there is not really that tall. It's kind of up and down. However, if we come over here where this grass is toughier, you can see that. Set it down there. As you can see, the gimbal, the camera is still down in the grass, but yeah, it's just the way it would land. Obviously, anywhere else, it's going to be, you know, a lot better. Definitely different than it being without them. Okay, so now we took the landing gear off, and definitely you could see a difference there in the tuft grass that's sitting down in there. So there's that. Disappears, gimbal completely. So yeah, that kind of, and here where it's not as high like the other one, gimbal's still down in the grass. So it does make a little bit of a difference. Yeah, check that out. It's a little windy today.
landing, 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 landing.
So what have we learned from all this today? Well, we've learned that landing gear extenders can make a difference. Yes, they can. And for $11.90, I'd have to say that they're worth every penny, because I don't know if you noticed this, but on the screen recordings I did, the second recording of the landing without the extenders on, the Mavic comes down into the grass, and as it gets down into the grass, you'll notice the gimbal, it goes cockeyed. So I didn't think nothing of that at first, but I took off right away, right after that. And as I'm starting to fly out, I get this warning on the screen. Check it out. Gimbal overload. And I'm like, what the heck is going, you know? Well, after reviewing the footage, that's when I noticed when that happened. And obviously, when it was down there, getting ready to take off, it couldn't perform its calibrations correctly, and it caused that problem. So, yes, are they worth it? Yes, they are. Do they make a difference? Yes, they do. Now, are they practical? Not so practical as far as like, I would say, obviously, if you're in a hurry and you need to get a shot or something, they're not something that you want to be messing with, because these front ones, they are kind of a pain in the butt to get on and off. They're really tight, but they have to be that way because you don't want these things flying off when you're flying and then you come down landing all crooked or whatever. But the back ones, snip, clip, snip and clip, they're on and off. Will I use them again? Yes, I will. I'll probably just leave these on here for when I go out and mess around in the yard and stuff like that. Also, if you're on some uneven surfaces, these are definitely going to help, because if you're sitting like, off or oddly, they help get your props up off the ground and away from things that might get in the way from taking off. So, yeah. And again, for less than $12, I mean, you can't go wrong. And if you guys are interested, there will be a link in the description below where you can get these. But yeah, they're pretty cool. So anyway, if you like what you see here and you like the things I'm talking about, let me know by hitting that like button down below and subscribe to my channel. And as always, thanks for watching. Later.